Guys, what if I told you you can create your own personal AI assistant that works for you 24/7 like a real employee? Before we start, please hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel because this will save you hours every week. You already know ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude. They're super useful, but there's a big problem. You open the chat, you ask something, you get an answer, and you close the app. And that's it. The conversation ends. These tools don't keep working for you in the background. They can't check your calendar by themselves. They can't send an email for you. They can't remind you every day at 5 p.m. unless you manually come back and ask again. So basically, you're still doing all the chasing. Now here's the exciting part. OpenClaw. OpenClaw is an open-source AI assistant you can install for free, and it can stay on 24/7. People are literally using it like an employee. Think of it like this. ChatGPT is like a smart friend you message sometimes. OpenClaw is like a smart assistant that stays awake, waiting for tasks and doing them automatically. You can tell it things like, generate a PDF for me, tell me the weather every morning, send me a motivational quote daily, tell me a joke every night, and it will do it automatically, without you opening a chat every single time. And the best part, it can live inside apps you already use, like Telegram, Slack, or Discord, so it's like having your assistant in your pocket. Now, quick warning, security matters. You don't want to run something like this on the same computer where all your personal files are, because if anything goes wrong, you'll always be worried. What if it deletes something? Or what if it messes with my system? That's why the best way to run OpenClaw is on a VPS. A VPS is like your own small computer on the internet. It stays on all the time, and it keeps your assistant running safely in the background. Setting it up is simple, step by step. First, you get a VPS. Then you deploy OpenClaw on it. Then, you add your AI API key. And finally, you connect it to Telegram using a bot token. On Telegram, you create a bot using BotFather. BotFather gives you a token. Think of it like a password for your bot. You paste that token into OpenClaw, and now Telegram is connected. Now you can message your assistant on Telegram like a normal chatbot. But it's not just a chatbot. Here's a quick example. You tell it, send me a joke every day at 1:26 a.m. It schedules the task and the joke arrives automatically at the time you set. That's the difference. OpenClaw doesn't just respond. It can also automate, schedule, and remind you without you chasing it. And you can make it even more powerful using skills. For example, you can connect it to Gmail and Calendar. Then it can send emails for you and even create meeting invites. But remember, when you connect tools like Gmail or Drive, you're giving access, so only enable what you truly need. Keep your tokens priv.